Hello dear friends, this is our new lesson Deutsch course, German course, Buch 1, Book 1. This is Lektion Nummer 7, lesson number 7. 7. So in this lesson we will read and learn about the nouns starts from letter U to Z. In previous lesson we have learned nouns from letter Q to T. In this lesson we will learn more nouns from letter U to Z in German language. Let's go to our new lesson. So now words begin from letter U, okay? U. But this is not U in German. It is U. U. In English it is U, but in German it is U. U. Uniform. Uniform in English, but in German it is uniform. U. Uniform. Uniform. U. Uniform. Uniform. U. Uhr. Uhr. Uhr means watch. U. Uhr. Uhr. U. U-boot. U. U-boat. Not boot, it is boat. U. U-boat. U-boat means submarine, okay? U. U-boat. 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 U. Ufer. Strand. You can also say Ufer and you can say Strand, means beach. But little difference is there between Ufer and Strand. Strand you can use for the beach of a sea, and it is used the beach of a river or a canal, okay? So, but in English you can say beach, in German Strand, and Ufer you can say the canal side or the river side, bank of a river, okay? It is bank, it is beach. But somewhere you can use, some people use same words for beach, like Ufer, for the beach they use. So you should keep both words in your mind. U, Ufer, Ufer. U, Ufer, Ufer. U, Universität. Universität. Universität means university. Universität. Universität. And now let's come to the new letter. Words begin from letter V, but in German it is V. V, not we. We in English and V in German. V, was, okay? So be careful and keep in mind, we give on the in German can pronounce both words, both voices, like wa and f, like f in English. So v, was, this in English. V, was. V, volcan, volcano. V, volcan, volcan. V, volcan, volcan. V, volcan, volcan. And here it gives the voice of F. V, Vater, Vater means father, okay? V, Vater, Vater. V, Vater, Vater. V, Fuge. Here it also gives the voice of F. V, Fuge. Vogel means bird. V, Vogel, Vogel. And now the next letter, words begin from letter W, but in German it is W, not W. W, W. W, Wasser, Kuche, Wasser, Kuche. Wasser means water. Kuche means the thing in which we can cook something, okay? Kuche. Wasserkuche. Kettle, okay? Wasserkuche. W, Wasserkuche. Wasserkuche. Teapot. W, Wasserkuche. Wasserkuche. W, Warteschlange. Warteschlange means queue. Okay. W, Warteschlange. Warteschlange. W, Warteschlange. W, Warteschlange. W, Wachte. Wachte. W, Wachte. Wachte. A bird's name, okay? A specific bird, not bird. Bird, for the bird we use Vogel. It is a specific word. It is its own name, okay? Wachte. Wachte. W, wall. Or you can say wallfish. Whale, okay? In English it is whale, but in German it is wall or wallfish. W, wall, or you can say wallfish. Wallfish. Wall, wallfish. W, wall, wallfish. W, Wulfen. Wulfen. She-wolf, okay? W, Wulfen. Wulfen. W, Wulfen. Wulfen. X. In German it is X, but in English it is X. Note, there aren't many common German nouns that starts with X. The same case like in English. Upsilon. It is Y in German, in English, but in German it is called Upsilon. Note, many German words starting with Y or Upsilon are borrowed from other languages like English or Sanskrit. Okay, so German doesn't have its own word starts from Upsilon, but you should remember it is not Y, it is Upsilon. and it is set. In English it is Z, in German it is set. Words begin from letter Z are from letter set. Set. Zitrone. Don't pronounce it like in English Z, zit. Not it is it. It sit. Zitrone. Lemon. Zitrone. Set. Zitrone. Zitrone. Set. Zitrone. Zitrone. Set. Zwiebel. Zwiebel. Zwiebel means onion. Set. Zwiebel. Set. Zwiebel. Zwiebel. Set. Ziege. Ziege. Goat. Set. Ziege. Ziege. Set. Zwieren. Set. Zwieren. Zwieren. Set. Zwieren. Zwieren. Set. Zebra. Set. Zebra. Zebra. Set. Zebra. Zebra. Set. Zebra. Zebra. Keep remember Ra in English, but Ra in German. Zebra. Zebra. So that was our lesson, and now come to the exercise. Übung Nummer 1. Words begin from U. So this is the noun. You should write in English, and here you should write in German in your notebook. Okay, both opposite. And this is watch, write in English, and under that you should write in German. And this is submarine, what is called, it is called in German. You should write here in your notebook. See all the pictures of this Übung or exercise, and we will see you in next lesson.